I am Dr. Carol Antonelli Greco. I'm a family physician and also the co-founder of FARMacy West Virginia.
My name's Amanda Cummins. I'm a physician assistant and co-founder of FARMacy West Virginia. This is an instructional video on how to develop your own FARMacy West Virginia program. FARMacy West Virginia is a nonprofit produce prescription program that began in Wheeling, West Virginia in 2016.
We know that some chronic diseases are impacted by diet, such as high blood pressure, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity.
FARMacy West Virginia is a produce prescription program that provides access to healthy, locally grown produce, provides education surrounding nutrition and culinary skills, is connected to a healthcare facility, evaluates effectiveness by collecting biometric data.
There are 6 essential steps in developing a FARMacy West Virginia program. We've broken it down into your role and FARMacy West Virginia's role.
Establish the clinic, hospital, or private practice that will host the program. Secure the funding. Contract with local farmers to supply the produce. Partner with the West Virginia University Extension Services for the educational component. Prepare for data collection. Patient recruitment.
Let's talk more about your responsibility as a FARMacy West Virginia host site. The first thing is patient recruitment. For programs that start in late June and early July, recruitment should start as early as January.
To help you determine which patients would benefit most from FARMacy West Virginia, we have an eligibility form on our website. Eligible patients should be able to commit to a 15-week program that includes 9 weeks of required education. The healthcare provider should be involved in the referral process, identifying patients that they believe are most eligible for the program.
The healthcare provider also provides the prescription for the produce to the patient.
Each FARMacy West Virginia site also provides the location of the program. Ideally, FARMacy West Virginia programs are held at the location where the patient receives their health care, the hospital, the clinic, or the office. Each program is set up like a farmer's market style pickup where patients are encouraged to select their own produce. Each FARMacy West Virginia site is also responsible for data collection.
We know that improving one's diet with healthy food helps to control their chronic disease.
Our statewide aggregate data shows that FARMacy West Virginia participants experience a significant decrease in A1C, as well as improvement in lipid panels and an overall improvement in well-being. It's imperative that each site collect and input data, as these efforts support the ongoing research for food as medicine programs across the state.
What do you collect? Pre and post program A1C, pre and post program lipid panels, pre and post program surveys, blood pressure readings and weights 4 times over the course of the 15-week program. All data is collected and stored at the WVU Office of Health Services Research.
Each site is provided with a login to the HIPAA-compliant software, detailed tech and IT support, data entry training. All data is aggregated in the state.
Deadline for data entry is October 15th for pre-data entry and December 15th for post-data entry. Now let's discuss the role of the FARMacy West Virginia planning team.
Funding. FARMacy West Virginia assists in securing funding through various sources like grants and local foundations. FARMacy West Virginia contracts with local farmers through a partnership with the West Virginia Department of Agriculture.
These farmers provide $25 worth of fresh produce every week to the designated number of patients in each program.
FARMacy West Virginia partners with the West Virginia University Extension Services to secure trained local educators who provide an on-site standardized educational component for 9 weeks. Focusing on healthy eating and basic cooking skills, the educator provides written recipes, tastings, and demonstrations each week.
We would like to refer you to the website, pharmacywv.com, where there's a detailed history of the program, a list of all the sites currently participating, and a more detailed how-to for the program. There you will also find the 6 forms necessary for completion of the FARMacy West Virginia program.
We realize that what we are providing are guidelines and that each program will have its own individual look. In order to maintain the integrity of the program, the essential components need to be in place.
We're here to support you in the development and success of your program.